What's up guys? Today we're fixing a problem that I have in my garage. I have a beautiful pit that I can use to work on my car, but it needs a cover because it's dangerous, we can fall into. So today we're gonna build a pit cover all in wood, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself. Woo! This project is pretty simple. How we're gonna do it is with these two type of material. On my left, there's a 1x12. The 1x12 is gonna be the top surface of the cover, and the 2x12 on my right is gonna be the bottom surface. So it's gonna add rigidity, and this one's gonna be a nice surface. And I'm gonna show you step by step how I do it, so you can do it by yourself. Here you go. So we are already at the last step of the project. So as you can see, I place all three boards on the surface of the pit. There's 4 2x12, one at each end of the boards and 2 in the middle at 1.5 feet between them approximately. And the last step that we're gonna need to do is using 1.5-inch screw to lock them in place. I've placed them so that the gap here is gonna be wide enough so I can move it a little. I don't want to be really tight. So let's get going. So guys, we are at the second part of the pit cover that we're doing. Now we are doing the small portion of the cover. It's 2 feet long, and we're gonna use my last 1x12 plank. This plank is 6 feet in length. So we're gonna cut it in 3 pieces of 24 inches. So 2 feet per plank, and we're gonna place it side by side. So we're gonna have the last cover. But the last part that I'm doing, this one, is a little bit shorter than I need to do the full coverage of the pit. I need 26 inches to cover all the length missing, but I will build only a 24 inches basis. So now it's time to cut the plank. So let's do this. All right, let's do this one more time. This is the problem that I have quite often. I'm trying to cut it square, and even if I'm using a speed square with my circular saw, I'm never able to have a flush cut. That's pissing me off quite a lot. I think I'm doing the right thing, but it's often not working. Like, those are flush, and they are not quite level, not quite square. I can fix it with my bandsaw, but sometimes I think it's the tool. The tool that I'm missing for me, it's a track saw. It's perfect for doing the flush cut. You can be square all the time. I know there's adapters that you can put on your circular saw. That's what I'm waiting for. I have already the 90 degrees plate that can fix on a rail, but when my girlfriend did the order, it went back order, so I'm still missing this tool, and I quite want it. I know that it's gonna help me a lot. So let's fix that thing. And if some company brand want to sponsor me, I know I have a small channel, but this is something I like to do, and I like to talk about it. So I'm just spreading the word. For the last part of the project, we only need to screw each plank to the 2x4 and we will be all done. So let's do this. Here you go, that's done. The last part of our project is already done. So maybe in the future I will put something on top to make it more clean, because there's gap, and maybe I want something more flush. But for now it's pretty good. I can stand on it and it doesn't bend, it doesn't flex. So I'm pretty happy with this. Thank you for watching. That's my first video in English. I'm trying to be better and practice my speaking. So if you like it, you can like, subscribe, maybe comment if you want. That's all for me. So thank you, have a great day, and see you next time.